Korean glass skin face mask. Achieving Korean glass skin often involves deep hydration, nourishment, and skin brightening ingredients. Here's a simple face mask recipe using natural ingredients to help you get that radiant, dewy look. Ingredients: rice flour or rice water, 2 tablespoons, brightens skin and evens out tone. Honey, 1 tablespoon, hydrates, soothes, and has antibacterial properties. Aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons, deeply hydrates and calms skin. Milk or yogurt, 1 tablespoon, exfoliates gently and moisturizes. A few drops of rosehip oil or vitamin E oil boosts hydration and promotes a glowing complexion. Instructions: mix all the ingredients in a bowl until they form a smooth paste. Adjust the consistency by adding more rice water or aloe vera gel. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin using clean fingers or a brush. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Gently rinse with lukewarm water, massaging in circular motions for mild exfoliation. Follow up with your favorite toner, serum, and moisturizer for added hydration. Tips for best results: use this mask 1 to 2 times a week. Consistency is key. Combine it with a good skincare routine featuring double cleansing, hydrating toners, and sunscreen. Always patch test before applying new ingredients to avoid reactions. Enjoy your radiant, glass-like skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Your support means everything.